Hey guys, my name is Ephraim. I want to show you how to create BI dashboard using CTRON Loop. So here you go to sources and upload the data set. So here you can see there are some empty spaces. You can see it, and also there are some white spaces as well. So that's about 700 rows. First of all, we want to prepare the data, so kind of do some kind of data processing. So it kind of does the preparation, kind of removes, highlights if there's white spaces or there are empty rows or duplicates. So this sort of identify all of that. So you kind of suggest what action needs to be done. So as a data analyst, you can choose what you want to do. So here's the before and the after. You can preview the sort of the first, just have a little preview of what it looks like. Then you can apply those changes. So after that, you can sort of do the data cleaning. So you can visualize the dashboard right now. So that's it. So it kind of gives a basic generic dashboard, still based on your data set, because then what you can do is you can regenerate it based on your preference. You can reprompt it. So for here, we are going to use the prompt. I'm just going to put the prompt I use here. So analyze the sales data sets to create an interactive dashboard. So you will want to see the total sales, the profit, units sold, the profit margins, and also to have different filters based on year, the country, the product, and the segments and the band as well. So these are the segments you can see. So you can apply the filters as well. Yeah, the moment you're applying filter, so it changes. So it's a live filter. So that's it. You can see the units sold, the average profit margin, the total profit.